Probably one of the biggest issues with the GoPro Hero 9 Black was the fact that this camera had a quite laggy and unresponsive touchscreen because of the old GP1 processor. Sometimes you really had to click an icon a couple of times for it to finally work, and it felt really slow in general. GoPro has tried to address this issue by releasing 2 firmware updates to fix it. So in this video, let's take a look at the touchscreen responsiveness of the GoPro Hero 10 Black and see if they finally fixed it with the new GP2 processor. So I think that this should give you a basic idea of what you might expect when you get one of these cameras. I think that the touchscreen responsiveness of the GoPro Hero 10 Black with the new GP2 processor is way better. I feel like the overall navigation through the camera is way faster, and simply the touchscreen is more responsive. So I think that they fixed on that. But what do you think about it? Let me know about it in the comment section below. And for today's guys, that's it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you out and you learned something from it. Anyway guys, thank you once again and see you in the next video.